So how many old timers do we still have left at Silver Dollar City? You saw the Marshal a while ago, 51 years. Now, this guy we're about to introduce to you, folks, he has achieved a goal that few have so far, folks. This is his golden anniversary of making music at Silver Dollar City. His 50th anniversary doing it, folks. How about a big hand for Larry Sled?
What a beautiful fall I am thinking concern a great speckled bird. Remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. With all the other birds gathered round her, they watch every move that she made. They try to find fault with her teaching, but did they find no mistake? I always love this old song. I like to hear Roy Acuff do it. And that was very special to me. He was such a great guy. And one of my buddies, got to be my buddies in later years, Brother Oswald. He played the dobro with Roy Acuff, I think, since 1938 for many years in Grand Ole Opry. And boy, could he play that dobro. It's really good. So we don't have one here today. So maybe I shouldn't talk about it. Butch, could you maybe make that guitar sound like Brother Oswald on the dobro? That would be really good.
Well, we'll give it a try.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
Teaching. I am proud that my name is in his book, for I want to be one, never fearing, on the face of my Savior to look. When he cometh descending from heaven on a cloud as he rides in his way, I'll be joyful and carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird. On the wings of that great speckled bird.
All right.
Thanks for that great guitar playing. That sounds just like Brother Oswald. I appreciate that very much.